Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Yeah man, welcome back. It's Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with Chef Garnet. Yeah man, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah man, share this video with a friend and a family if you find this very helpful and interesting. Yeah, so today what I'll be cooking for you is some Jamaican steamed fish. Yeah man, we have some nice snapper here, which I'm gonna show you in a minute. And I'll be doing some cornmeal. Yeah man, one of Jamaican's favorites. Yeah, and I'll be doing this with some pumpkin and some vegetable. You can do it whichever way or whatever way you want it to do it. This is the way I like it, and you don't have to follow me. You can take out whatever you don't like, and then you can go ahead and do it. Yes, I'll be doing steamed fish and cornmeal. In other part of the Caribbean, they call this coucou, especially in Grenada and other parts. Yeah, so coucou, aka cornmeal, Jamaican style. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ingredients that I use. Guys, so this is the ingredients that I'll be using to cook this lovely meal. Yeah, I can't wait for it to cook, to have a go. You know, it's been a long time I haven't eaten cornmeal. Yeah, so this is my ingredients for the fish. As you can see, I've got two separate ingredients here. We got our bell peppers, our thyme, and we got some scallion and garlic there. And we got some pumpkin, which I've shredded, and I've leave some chopped one also. Some carrots for my steamed fish. Yeah. Over here we got some okra. That's, you know, when it's near less finished, I'm gonna be adding my okra with a bit of mixed vegetable. Yeah, and we've got some onions that I've chopped, ready for my steamed veg. And over here I've got my ingredients for my cornmeal. I'll be using pumpkins in the cornmeal. Over here, so we got my bell peppers and stuff already chopped, some onions and some thyme and some scallion. And I'll be adding a bit of mixed vegetable. And this is the cornmeal that I'll be using. I'll be using some fine cornmeal and 1 tin of coconut milk. And 1 tin of coconut milk will be cooking the fish. Yeah? So stay tuned, guys, and see what's happening in this video. Step by step, and the process that I've taken to get this lovely meal. Yes? Stay tuned. So we'll start the process with fish. So in a heated pan, just put a bit of butter, so as soon as the butter melts down, we'll be adding my vegetables. It's melted down. I'll be adding my I'll saute these a bit. Also with my spring onion, my thyme and bell peppers, you know, along with the pumpkin and the carrot. Add everything to the pan. And just steam veg. So that's why you're just trying to build a sauce for the steamed fish. It's always good to saute your vegetable. It just brings out a lot more flavor in your meal. If you haven't tried it before, saute your vegetable before you add anything else, you'll see the big difference. Or taste the big difference. So with that, I'll be adding a bit of fermento berries. Touch them a bit. Add that in there. And also, you can see over here, I'll be adding a bit of pepper. Start putting pepper. Don't worry about the pepper is a bit soft because it's in the freezer. Add that in there. Mix. You start to smell the flavor coming together with that. And I'm going to season that also. A bit of salt. Touch of black pepper. And my famous all-purpose Maggi. I love to add a bit of flavor to my pot, so I'll just add some dry seasoning, oregano. And some parsley flakes, I'll add into that. In my together. Also with a bit of chili flake. And a bit of garlic powder. Also guys, I've seasoned the fish already. I've only used a bit of fish seasoning, some Old Bay seasoning, some garlic powder and some black pepper for my fish. Yeah. I'm just gonna add a little pinch of fish seasoning to this vegetable. And just give that a little mix again. You see? Adding a little bit of water to that, not much, just speed up the steaming process. You can see all that color started to come together, and trust me guys, this is not a long process. And what I'll be doing, as you can see, the vegetable is already soft. Pumpkin is already soft. I'll leave a bit of chopped pumpkin in there, just for a little bite. Yeah. Also, I'll be adding a bit of mixed vegetable. I'll leave some for the turned cornmeal, not much. So I'll give this, guys, around about 3 minutes. I'll cover this up, give this around 3 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you where I'll be putting in the coconut cream. I'm adding in my coconut cream now, as you can see. Pumpkin is already getting soft. So just add all kind of coconut cream in that. Nice and rich already. Balance of coconut cream. So guys, over here I got some fish tea mix. Let's put a little bit in there. Just to spice it up a bit. Look at that. Nice and rich. My okras will be going in after I've put my fish. Let's give us a little taste. And this is how the chef tastes this pot. Yes. Lovely. We'll take a little bit more Maggi. Let's give it a little mix. Leave this for around another 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Simmer down, and then I'll add it in my fish. Okay, so cover this down, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes, then add your fish in. Yes, guys. So in the meantime, what I'll be doing, I'll be preparing my turned cornmeal. So same process. I'll be adding in just a bit of butter. Leave that to melt. Then I'll be adding in my chopped seasoning. Let's bring this down for a bit. My chopped seasoning, my onion, scallion, thyme, bell pepper, along with my pumpkin. Give that a good mix. Saute them down. So melt your butter. So while that is going on, add your seasoning. This is your chopped onion, scallion, and garlic with some chopped bell pepper. Give that a little mix along with your mixed vegetable. Leave that to saute for a couple of minutes and come back to that. Come a long way. Look how thick that is and rich. So I'll be adding a little bit more water because it's a bit too thick. Nice. Look at that. So I'll be adding in my fish now. As you can see, I've got two nice snapper here. We're seasoning. Just gonna shuffle those down in the pot. Just find the room. Just shuffle the season around. Make sure you got all your seasons and stuff in there. Kind of try and get some into the belly of the fish. That's nice. Lovely. So I'll be covering this down. Let's try and get as much vegetable you can get in the belly of the fish. These snapper, I get them at the Billingsgate fish market. So Just cover it down. Let that cook for 10 to 15 minutes. And that should be ready. Season, sauteing down. So I'll be adding in my pumpkin. And with all of that, I'm going to add a bit of all-purpose seasoning. Give that a little mix. Also, I'll be adding in the coconut milk. Let's give that a little mix. And that's it, guys. Well, you can add whatever you want to add to this turned on, aka coucou. Yeah. I was cooking a bit of rice and peas the other day, and I've got there was a bit of I take a bit of the peas and a bit of the water and I put it in the freezer. So this is red peas. It's not red peas, it's called cow peas. This is, as you can see, cooked down there. So I'm gonna add that also in there. Yeah, it's a bit frozen at the moment. So I won't be doing a lot, so depending on how many cooking for, just add a bit of water to that. As you can see, that's around 1.5 cups of liquid. Yeah. So cover that down, leave that to cook, to come to a boil. When you know the pumpkin is soft, and I'll be showing you when I'll be adding in the cornmeal and such. Yeah? Yes guys, I'll be adding in the okra now, yeah? Just put them over there. The fish and in the liquid. Just sink them down in the liquid. And I'll put my flame down on low. And I'm just gonna leave that to cook. That's it. It's gonna be nice and juicy. Look at that. Look at that. As you can see, cover that down. As you can see, the flame is on low. Just give it a little shake. I think I'm going to switch flame. I'm going to bring this to the front. The turned cornmeal. I'm preparing there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add more, basically the same amount of seasoning that I've put, and the same kind of seasoning that I've put into the fish. Bit of parsley flake and all of that seasoning. A bit of garlic powder. I'm going to add a bit of chili flake. That. And that's a bit of all-purpose seasoning. Just for taste. Yeah. And the trick is, guys, I'm gonna also add around 2 tablespoons of sugar into that. Yeah? Let's mix that brown. It is still hard, so I'm gonna leave that to cook out. You can see the nice color you got going on in there. You got your pumpkin, your mixed vegetables, and oh, that's good. Let's taste this and see what it tastes like. I think that tastes real good. Nice. You can taste the flavor of the coconut and all of that going on inside it. So I'm just gonna cover this down again. Let the pumpkin cooked out properly, and then I'll show you the next process or the next stage. You can see it's ready to put the cornmeal into the thing that I've prepared, my pumpkin and stuff. So if you notice, guys, my cornmeal is not dry. Put a bit of water in there just to damp it. Because when I notice, when I put the dry cornmeal into the pot, you know, some will get a bit lumpy if you don't mix it out properly. So I've done that process before, and I've damped the cornmeal, so everything is damp, so it's easily mixed in. Yeah, so then I've had that, and make sure you use a whisk, guys, to mix that in. Yeah. Yeah. I think I've gone ahead and I've made probably too much, to be honest with you. Yeah. Make sure you got a whisk, and you're gonna get some mussels in there and whisk that up. Yeah. Look at that. Oh. You don't want it too dry. Look at that. It's more like preparing fufu for those who are Africans. You know, we put the flame on low, and when it's getting a bit too stiff, you're gonna put away the whisk. You can start to use a spoon. Right, there we go. Much better. Oops, sorry. Bouncing over the camera. Yeah, so just keep mixing. Oh yes. You have to get some real good muscle in that. Make sure your flame is up. If you notice, guys, there's no lumps at all in that whatsoever, because I've done what I said, dump the cornmeal first. Nice. And if you find it getting a bit too dry, just keep adding a bit of liquid to that. Maybe a bit of butter or something, or maybe some water. Yeah. So guys, tell you what, this is really letting me work. So what I'll do, I'll just to follow the process, I'll just keep mixing it like that. Yeah, as much as you can, and I'll do this for the next 5 minutes or so, and I'll come back and show you what's happening with it. Yeah, stay tuned. Yes, guys, so this is it. I'm still stirring. See, it's not dry, it's just moist. You see the texture of it. So I'm going to leave that on low flame for around 10 minutes, and just keep going back and stirring it. Yeah, so I'll be covering it up and leave it on low flame. Yeah, I'll come back and check on that for a bit. Stay tuned. Turned cornmeal, aka coucou, and my steamed snapper. Look at it, guys. Nice. Can't wait to dig into this one. Yeah. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and tell me what you think in the comment section about this recipe. Yeah. Until next time, cook and inspire in and out the kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time. Peace out.